Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You set up the essentials now. Pick an IR or low-light camera and place it where the whole bed fits the frame. This avoids blind spots. Once done, connect constant power or a high-capacity battery with pass-through so the camera never dies. Then format and install a 128 GB or larger SD card, or configure continuous loop recording with overwrite turned off to keep the whole night. Make sure the camera firmware and clock are correct before moving on. Now configure the recording parameters for a full night capture. Set continuous recording or very low sensitivity motion trigger to avoid missed minutes. Continuous is safest. Choose 1080p at 30 frames per second to balance clarity and storage. Higher frame rates blow up file sizes. Activate IR or night vision, lock exposure and fix white balance so the image stays consistent all night. Once configured, enable timestamps and, if available, a pre-record buffer of a few seconds to capture movement that preceded triggers. Start recording right before you lie down and verify the first 5 minutes to confirm framing and exposure. You can use a remote app or peek at the camera live feed. Check battery, IR illumination, and audio if needed. Once complete, safely stop recording, then offload the files to a computer. Transcode to H, 264 or H, 265 to save space and tag timestamps for review. If something went wrong, no footage or overexposure. Recheck power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.